Hey there, this is Michel from SatoshiPioneers.com, and today I wanted to share with you my brand new PLR release. It's called Altcoins 10x Breakouts. It's my latest crypto profit method. Now the reason I created this training is to help beginners identify breakouts from new crypto coins. And as a result, when you catch early breakouts, this is when people make 10x profits and more. I'll be teaching your audience about confluence between stochastic RSI and the MACD for better decision taking. This will allow your audience to buy coins at the right time, right before they break out. Now let me show you what this PLR package includes. Now the first thing you're going to get is your video pack. So basically it's 6 videos that reveals the method on how to profit from early breakouts. It's in MP4 format. You'll also get a lead capturing page in HTML5 format. This lead capturing page has been carefully designed to get high opt-in rates. As you can see, you don't even need to scroll up and down. The headline is short and to the point, and this lead capturing page is very attractive. You'll also get a sales letter. This sales letter comes in Word format, text format, and you'll also get an HTML5 web page that you can load on your server. This sales letter has 626 words. You'll also get the report access page in an HTML5 format to go along with the sales letter and the opt-in page. And needless to say, I've added 5 promo email swipes that include scarcity, urgency, and deadline consequence. These 5 promo email swipes have a total word count of 1,259 words. These swipes come in text and Word format. I've also decided to include a promo banner pack that comes in a PNG format, along with all the graphics in PNG and transparent format. But that's not all. On your sales page, you'll be giving away 3 bonuses. These 3 bonuses have a total of 17 videos that will show your audience how to buy coins on Binance, how to use TradingView, and how to understand the most popular indicators and oscillators. And each of these bonuses have their own HTML pages. And as you can see, these pages are attractive and easy on the eyes. Now, if you add it all up, the total watch time of this fresh and exclusive content is 67 minutes and 16 seconds. So that's more than 1 hour of fresh and exclusive content that your audience is going to get. And last but not least, you'll get a PLR license. And with this PLR license, you can edit the product, rename it, rebrand it, sell it, give it away. It's a very flexible PLR license. And you can rest assured, your audience will not need any knowledge to profit from this method. They will not do any leverage trading because that's gambling, not investing. They won't be short selling. They won't be trading futures. They won't be doing dual investments. And most importantly, they won't need to join any crypto programs. But you need to hurry because aside from you, only 99 other people will ever get this training and be able to use it as a PLR. The reason we limit the amount of copies is so that your exclusive content stays exclusive. So by limiting the number of copies, we are 100% sure that your content will stay exclusive to you. So if you want to be among the few select people to hold more than 1 hour of fresh content to educate your audience about early crypto breakouts, go below this video right now and lock in your copy. Let me show you what I mean by this. Now, you'll notice that my stock RSI, my RSI, and my MACD are all pointing up as a sign of bullishness at the same time. So if I align on February 2nd, everything is aligned and bullish. And here in the stock RSI, you'll notice that we are in the overbought. Normally, we would say, if it's overbought, people are going to start selling. But because I'm working with Confluence, I'm also going to look at the RSI and the MACD. The RSI is telling me that we're above the 50 line, which is bullish. The MACD is above the 0 line. The histogram have green bars. And if I zoom in, you'll notice that the signal line crossed the price line on the 31st of January. So by the 2nd of February, we were in an uptrend here. As you can see, the MACD lines are pointing up. So we got confidence here that it's bullish. We got confidence here that it's bullish. we got confidence here that it's bullish, even though we're a bit overbought. So this here happens on the 2nd of February. So let me go back here. 2nd of February, the candle closes above the resistance line. So this means that